Hello friends, welcome to another video of Dr. Pharmacy. Today we are going to discussing about the topic how long does it take to develop a vaccine for coronavirus? The question that asked by many people around the world. Normally for developing a new drug or vaccine, it takes at least 10 years and the process is highly complex, tedious and competitive and costly process. A drug should be carefully and ethically evaluated by testing in human beings for safety and efficacy prior to its use in public for therapeutic purposes. Such studies referred to as the clinical trial. Let's discuss the steps involved in the development of a new vaccine or drug. For the first step is the preclinical studies in animals, which include toxicity studies. The toxicity studies can be further classified into acute toxicity studies, subacute toxicity studies, and chronic toxicity studies, and special toxicity studies. All the toxicity studies are performed in two different animal species, one rodent and another non-rodent animal species. Let's discuss in detail. Acute toxicity studies is mainly performed to find the general behavior of drugs and also to find the median lethal dose of the drug. And the process is by giving single or greater dose through two different routes, and the effects are observed for 1 to 3 days. And subacute toxicity studies is performed to find out the maximum tolerated dose and to identify the target organ of toxicity and the nature of toxicity. The chronic toxicity studies, the drugs are given for 6 to 12 months and the effects are observed. And the special toxicity studies, and which include the tests like carcinogenicity, mutagenicity, and teratogenicity. After completing preclinical trials, we can submit investigational new drug applications to the FDA. After getting the investigational new drug license, we can test the drug on humans. And the second part, that is a clinical trial. There are four different phases for clinical trials. The first phase, it is carried out in 10 to 100 healthy individuals, and main aim is to find the safety and maximum tolerated dose. And the phase 2, that is a therapeutic exploratory study, it is carried out for the first time in patients with the target disease, and the objective is to assess the effectiveness, and it is carried out in 50 to 500 patients. And the phase 3, the therapeutic confirmation trials, the objective is to confirm the efficacy in large number of patients and conducted in multiple centers. The permission for marketing is granted after successful completion of phase 3 trial. And the phase 4, the post-marketing surveillance. It is carried out to obtain additional data about the risk and benefit of the drug. There are ADR monitoring centers in different parts of our country. These are the procedures performed for marketing a new drug.